Hi, it's Professor Forsyth, and welcome to Developmental Math 1 online. It started today. I just want to take you through the course quickly, just to tell you where you can find everything and what you should be working on starting today. So I just had a Q&A chat today from 5 to 5:30, so if you wanted to enter that chat, you would have clicked here. No one joined me, but maybe that means you don't have any questions. But we're here at the home page, so all of my announcements I post, the most recent 3 will be here at the top. Make sure you read every announcement. Like I mentioned here, be sure and set your notifications so that your announcements go straight to your email. So as soon as I send something out, you'll get it in your email. Okay, so we have important course information, and then every learning module has a link to it here. You can also get to it by going to the modules page over here. Now, just to show you, since we're on this page, you can see what your grade category weights are, so you can know how much everything is worth in the class. And then here you have a course summary. So basically, it's a way for you to see what's due for the whole course. And then as we go through the rest of the term, if you click on Jump to Today, it will take you to, the closest day due date that you have to the day that you look. So as you can see here, we have 3 assignments that are due on Sunday. These are called your orientation no-show assignments, and you want to have these done by Sunday. If not, you'll be dropped from the course as a no-show student. We don't want that. All right, so if you go to modules, now if you're just starting the course, the only thing you can see is the orientation module, which is this orientation module here. So we have okay, my computer's freezing. This is annoying. Okay, so while my computer stops freezing, oh, there we go. All right, so we have the course syllabus and the course schedule. You want to definitely maybe print that out and have that as a reference for the rest of the term. And then some important information that you want to read through. Okay? Now, these 3 assignments you must have done by Sunday night. So it's a syllabus quiz that you are going to actually write by hand and then scan your paper and submit it that way. And the reason why you're doing that is because you have to submit written work throughout this course. All right. Then a practice assignment, which basically shows you how the program that we're using for our work in this class is called MAT0018C. And so this assignment basically takes you through how to use that program, all right? And then we have an introduction discussion that you want to participate in. Now, once you submit, see how it says submit? Once you submit these 3 assignments, and you'll see like a check here letting you know that you've done it, then these modules will open up to you, okay? So right now I have it set to where the first 2 modules will open, but right now, you can't see it because you are not, I'm a student right now, and I can't see it because I haven't submitted these assignments. Now, just so that you can see what it would look like if once you do it, let me get out of Student View and go to Instructor View. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of stuff that you won't see because you're not an instructor, you're a student. Okay, so once you finish your orientation assignments, you will then be able to see this first module. So if you click here, this is a module on whole numbers. So I've got a picture of the book and then the sections in the book that we're going to be covering. I actually have the entire book worked out here. So if you, by chapter, so like if you don't buy the book, it's actually okay. It's not really a requirement. You don't have any work that's due out of the book. I just use the book as a guide to take you through the course objectives. But you can actually click here and view the book with solutions. So it looks like any day now. Okay. So that's the book, and it's just worked out. So if you don't want to have to look at those worked out problems, you may want to get the book. I think it's about 30 bucks. But this is the book for you. All right. Okay. So back to the content page. So we have the learning outcomes for this chapter, and then I have the homework assignments embedded in this page. So all the homework assignments for chapter 1 are right here. So what you'll do, I have it to where when you click on it, it's going to ask you to open it into a new window, a new tab. So you would click that, it's going to open a separate window. And so I'm a teacher now, so it'll open to your actual assignment. So I'll just press preview so you'll see what it looks like. So like that's your assignment here. All right. Now the reason why I have it open to a new tab is because you probably can't, let me lift this up. Okay. So if you go here, you'll be able to still have your Chapter 1 resource page available with resource videos. So you can go here to do your work. If you want to reference back to the videos or your online book, you can click back here. So it's a way to, you know, get to your information quicker. That's why I have it like that. And then once you want to do 1.2, you would click here. It's going to ask you to open into a new window. You know, it'll pop up automatically for you. And then if you want to reference back to that resource page, you can, you can click here and go there, or you can go to the modules page and click on the content page. So I just wanted to make it to where as you're working on the material, everything's there for you and very easily accessible. All right, so that's basically it to get you started. Remember, everything that you want to be able to see is under the modules page. Bring that back down. Okay, it's under the modules page. Once you complete your 3 assignments, everything else will open back up to you. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. It's very important that in an online class that you are very proactive and you reach out to the professor whenever you have any questions at all. This is a very helpful to-do part of your course. Anything that you have coming up that you haven't done yet will pop up here. I think if it's close to being due, it'll like flash or something. So it's really cool. So I'll have more videos later as we go through the term, but for now, that's it. Bye!